We do not find any infirmity. Writ petition is dismissed.
Right.
Yes.
May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention item number 12, Lordship, 1-2. Press motion, Lordship. Lordship, matter may come up on Tuesday, Lordship. Today, my senior is out of station, Lordship.
On a request made on behalf of the petitioner, matter is adjourned to be listed on Tuesday next. Please give the date. Tuesday would be 26th. Okay.
Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 21, Your Lordship, with the consent of the other side, Your Lordship, may be listed first week of June.
21.
21.
Your for whom?
May not be taken up by the son of bench, my lord. Your lordship.
Hmm? How is 21? How is it connected?
Your lordship passed the order.
Writ appeal.
Lordship.
Okay. Is it okay? Please before any other bench without one of us within bracket escape. Huh?
Obliged.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 13 for adjournment.
1-3.
1-3, yes,
Yes.
Lordship. My conducting counsel is out of station for medical emergency, Lordship.
Okay.
Kindly next week, Lordship.
On a request made on behalf of the petitioner, matter is adjourned to be listed on. We'll have it on 29th. Is it okay? 29/5.
Chair, please, Lordship. My lord, from the concern of the other side, I beg to mention item number 17.
17.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
In this matter, I am appearing on behalf of Mr. Dinat for respondent number 1 to 7, my lordship.
What is your,
I request for adjournment, my lordship.
on behalf of respondents 1 to
1
7?
to 7.
What is the matter about?
Custodial death, my lordship.
Okay. Why are you seeking adjournment?
Mr. Dinat is some personal problems, so he's unable.
On a
to
request made on behalf of Sri Dinath, learned senior advocate, appearing for the respondents 1 to 7, matter is adjourned to be listed. When?
Next week, my lordship.
On 3rd of June,
God bless you.
3/6.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7.
7.
7. Can you
Yes.
fix the matter first week of June?
On a request made on behalf of the petitioner, matter is adjourned to be listed on 1st of June, 1/6.
Obliged.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 39. Lordship, the conducting counsel is unwell, so matter will be taken after 1 week.
Thirty-nine. What is your prayer?
Uh,
Who is unwell?
Mr. S. Huda, conducting counsel.
He is unwell.
Yes, but physically some,
He was there in the court yesterday.
no, he is in home, but unable to come. And
He was there in the court yesterday.
yes.
We keep all information.
There with him.
We
But
keep
some-
all information. Who is there in the court? You cite some good reasons.
No, sir, he is not well, physically not fit today.
Okay, we'll adjourn it for him. Not a problem. But don't say he's unwell. He was in the court yesterday,
Yes.
in the bar room.
Yes. But
Happy.
today morning she wanted to come, but
Okay.
physically not fit.
Okay.
So.
On a request made on behalf of Sri S. Huda, learned counsel for the petitioner, matter is adjourned to be listed when?
Next week. Lordship.
Listed on, we'll give a date. Listed on 26th, is it okay?
No, Lordship.
26th
First week of June.
and 28th?
28. Lordship,
No, not 28. 28 will be difficult. It's Eid. 26th, I think it's Possible or 29th?
Lordship, after
Okay, 1st of June,
1st of June
1/6.
of that.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 29, my lord.
Hmm.
It's gone for the day, my lord, for week, my lord. Maybe listed after first week of June, my lord.
On a request made on behalf of the petitioner, matter is adjourned to be listed on 1st of June, 1/6/29.
Oh.
Yes,
Expectation for listing for new case, motion lordship,
when?
next 26 or 25.
Okay,
25.
tomorrow is a working day? No,
Walking it tomorrow.
tomorrow is not a working day, so 26th, 26th.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 6 of today's list, Lordship.
Yes,
As per my Lord's order, we have filed an additional affidavit today only, Lordship. It's not on record, Lordship. May take up the matter in the next week.
you bring your additional affidavit, what is the matter about? It's an FT matter.
Yes, Lordship.
Bring your additional affidavit, it's for motion stage. Let's see if there is a requirement, we'll adjourn it, not now.
May I please, Your Lordships.
Yes.
My
Mr.
lord.
D.
My lord, it is a fact that, my lord, the petitioner's father hails from East Pakistan, East Pakistan, now Bangladesh, my lord. In the year 1953-54, my lord, like that, my lord. And after coming to India, he has registered himself as a citizen of India by certificate of registration, my lord. That was, my lord,
That is the father of the petitioner.
father of the petitioner.
What is your link with your father?
My lord, link is that, my lord, the petitioner brother examined as a witness number 2, a DW2, my lord.
That will not do. What is your documentary evidence to link yourself with the projected father?
Here, my lord, only Panchayat certificate is given by the Gauhati, but that is
Panchayat
also, my lord,
certificate-
not
Panchayat
satisfactory.
certificate will not be by Gauhati. Panchayat certificate will be by Panchayat.
Well,
Gauhati certificate is different. Panchayat certificate is different.
Gauhati, my lord.
Gauhati certificate.
Gauhati certificate.
Gauhati had come before the witness box.
Yes, my
Report.
lord, he has come, my lord.
Dep-
But, my lord, there is some contradictory statements given. He has not put the record,
Okay.
etc., my lord, that there. This is one aspect of the matter, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, I have another argument.
CA.
The petitioner is protected under the,
CA.
my lord,
You apply.
not CA, I am not CA, my lord,
Then
but under the Immigration and Foreigners Act 2025, that is, my lord, the Immigration and Foreigners Exemption Order 2025.
Will help, well, lordship. Otherwise, lordship, he has to establish her link with her projected father. If that benefit, he can avail, lordship.
My lord,
Second aspect.
yes, it is a fact, my lord, reflected in the judgment also.
this fact is a part of the consideration in the judgment.
Yes, my lord.
What is the answer response?
My lord, kindly see the judgment, kindly.
No, under that,
clear was taken at the before the tribunal also. my
no,
lord.
under this act, there is a procedure prescribed. Under this act you're referring, there is a procedure prescribed.
Only, my lord, thing is that it is a fact that he has come before 31st December 2024. As per this act, who has come from East Pakistan, Afghanistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Pakistan, and they were mainly Hindu, Sikh, Buddhist, Jain, Parsi, Christian, who were compelled to seek shelter in India due to religious persecution or fear of religious persecution, and entered into India on or before the 31st
No,
December
Mr. Dev, we are aware of this,
They are protected.
but these are factual aspects. You are required to prove this in accordance
My
with
lord.
law.
That is reflected in the judgment, my lord. Kindly see.
Could you prove it?
Yes, it is the finding of the court also, my lord.
And judge, honorable member has put the question to the DW1, witness number 1 as well as DW2. And it is clarified that his father has come from.
Yes, what can be done, Mr. Sharma?
So, my
In
lord,
the,
Foreigners Act.
so far as the alternative argument is concerned.
Can it be for the time being, Lordship? For the
Hmm?
time being, past 30 minutes. For the time being.
Okay, you
the
go
time.
through it.
Yes.
Because see, if we do not agree with Mr. D, so far as the principal challenge is concerned, then there may be a requirement to consider the alternative prayer.
Yes, yes.
If we agree with him, then there is no
Okay,
requirement. If we set aside the opinion, which appears to be difficult from the circumstances, materials which were before the tribunal.
Yes, Lord.
There is no proof as such. One oral evidence and the Gaubura certificate was not proved in accordance with law. No contemporaneous records were produced. No issue register. We have seen those.
Yes, Lord.
So in that case, if we are not inclined to accept his first submission, first challenge, then there will be a requirement to consider his second prayer, whether he'll be entitled to any benefit under this act.
Yes.
On that, you kindly.
On that ground, Lordship may also can remand the matter. Tribunal will decide the thing, Lordship, whether he can avail this benefit or not. Let him.
It is
Eh,
clear,
allow
my lord. It is
reconsider.
clear. Even in the notice, my lord, it is in the notice, my lord, you should.
Okay, you go through it
Yes,
for
yes,
some time.
Lord.
We'll have it maybe around at 12 o'clock.
Yes, Lord.
Or we can do one thing. We can have it on Monday. Or Wednesday. Wednesday, you are around? Wednesday. Otherwise also matters would be less. It was a designated scheduled holiday which has been cancelled now. Wednesday we can have. Okay? Okay. Uh, In this case, apart from the challenge to the impugned order on merits, the learned counsel for the petitioner, Sri D, has also submitted that the petitioners would be entitled to the benefits under the what act?
Immigrants expulsion from. Assam.
Immigration,
Please give the-
Immigration and Foreign Exemption Act.
Where is it in the petition? Any reference?
The Immigration and Foreigners Exemption Order, 2025.
Immigration and
Foreigners within bracket exemption order,
asylum.
2025.
25. But this order is of subsequent
25.
period.
Yes, Lord.
How can you?
No, my lord, it is, this amendment is particularly, my lord, it repeals the earlier order, my lord, that is,
No, what we are,
my lord,
Mr. Dev, what we are hinting upon is that this order is of recent
earlier
recent
order
origin.
was, my lord, amended.
Hmm.
That is the Foreigners Order 1948, that is amended.
You could have got a benefit under the Foreigners Order 1948.
48, section 3A, capital A.
No, Lekha.
And that.
Foreigners Order
that-
1948, which has now been replaced by the
The Immigration and Foreigners within bracket exemption order 2025.
2025. Full stop, Tara. In view of the above, Sri Sharma, G. Sharma, Standing Council, Home and NRC, prays for some time to look into this aspect of the challenge. Full stop, Tara. On a joint request, matter is adjourned to be listed on 28. 28, no, 27, no?
27.
Wednesday, 27. 27.
27 perhaps holiday, my lord.
No.
That holiday has been cancelled.
Changed.
Therefore, we are fixing.
March 28th.
So there will be less number of cases. We will have your case.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Kagun's name, huh?
The impugned order is at page 15 also. The petitioner's father, Forpada, all were born at village Sarsapur under police station Katigora, the district of Kasar Assam. And then that's why his name has been enrolled in the voter list of 1965. Can you turn up at page 24?
Your name is in the voter list of which year?
Actually, that one, 93. Lordship.
93. Let us, just give us 2 minutes.
Even 1981 also. Lordship.
Just a minute, Go chronologically. J Park.
Opinion at 56, page 56.
Lordship.
Your date of birth?
35, 1966. 36, 1966.
30,
6, 1966.
30th of June,
Yes.
1966.
Hmm.
You had filed written statement when?
Page number. Lordship, on 8th December 2016.
How many witnesses?
Play myself only.
Only one DW.
Yes.
Okay, what are your documents? This
No.
stream is post 1971.
Yes, Lordship, page
Please.
number 24, my father's documents.
No, stream is post 1971.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, please take us to the documents.
Annexure 2, page 24, that is my father's document, 1965. My father, grandmother,
Page,
page 24, Lordship.
come to the vernacular at 25.
Page 25. My grandmother, my father, my parents.
Voters list of which year?
It is 1965.
1965 voter list.
My
Who-
parents and my grandmother's name is there.
Soilbala Das, who is
Sailobala Das is my grandmother, and then my parents, Kusindra Das and Renubala Das is my parents. Thereafter, Lordship.
not
and-
Silo, it's Soilbala.
Soil.
Soil. See the vernacular? It's Uikar, not Silo. Soilbala.
No, Soilo Bala.
Bala.
Soilo.
Yes, Lordship.
Soilobala Das. Who is Soilobala Das?
My grandmother.
Grandmother.
Yes.
Then who is Sumindra?
My father's name is Kusindra Das and
Kuchindra.
Kusindra Das.
This is Kuchindra.
Kusindra. Okay,
Yes, kindly see. The vernacular, madam?
Kusindra. Kusindra.
Kushindra. Okay.
Kusindra.
Kushindra. Is your father?
yes, Lordship.
Okay.
And mother is Renu Bala Das.
Mother.
Yes.
Okay.
Thereafter, in the Annexure 3, 1970, voter list. Page 26, vernacular is page 27.
70 voter list.
Yes, Annexure 3, page 26, Lordship.
27 is the vernacular. 1970.
Yes, Lordship.
Who's there?
My grandmother, Saibala
Prabala.
Das, and Kusindra Das is my father, and then Renubala Das is my mother.
Grandmother is 60 what? 65. Kushindra. Yes.
Thereafter, Annexure 4, page 28. Vernacular is at page 29.
85.
Yes, Lordship. Here, only my parents' names are there. Page 28, vernacular is page 29.
Yes.
Thereafter, Lordship, page 34. My first time I cast my vote in the year 1989. Page
What is
34.
the school certificate not proved?
No, Lordship, actually I have produced all those documents before the learned council who was conducting the case before the learned trial court. But those documents, 1970 voter list and other, the 1981, all those are not placed before the tribunal.
So
Lordship.
these were not before the tribunal.
No, Lordship.
You placed those-
I placed before my advocate, but inadvertently he could
So
not.
1965 is proved.
Yes.
Thereafter, which is proved?
Actually, the tribunal says that since my link, I could not prove my linkage with my parents, so that's where the court has discarded. But Lordship, I 1993 voter, I have annex 1993
Can
voter.
you tell us what are the documents which you have produced and proved before the tribunal? Which document?
There is annex 1965 voter list.
Exhibit what?
Exhibit 2, no? Exhibit 2. Exhibit 2. Exhibit 2. Thereafter, Exhibit 1, that is my school's documents. That was court's learned trial court says because it was not countersigned or not proved. He was
Which page?
page, page 30.
30.
Hmm.
This is exhibit 1.
Yes. No, sir.
31 is the vernacular.
Hmm.
Full certificate.
School certificate.
Please read.
Then exhibit 4 is a caste certificate.
No, page 31.
Yes.
বিদ্যালয় উপপরিদর্শক কার্যালয় শিলচর, please read. Please read it. The vernacular, page 31. You cannot read. Why? This much you have to read. Yes, madam?
School certificate, Lordship.
Hmm.
I read the vernacular.
Yes, yes.
এত দ্বারা সার্টিফিকেট দেওয়া হইতেছে যে যাইতেছে যে শিলচর মহকুমার অন্তর্গত গোবিন্দ কুপা গ্রাম নিবাসী শ্রী মুক্ত কুশীন্দ্র চন্দ্র দাস মহাশয়ের পুত্র শ্রী রঞ্জিত দাস
Ranjit Das.
30/5/75 ইংরাজি তারিখ পর্যন্ত স্কুলের হয় শ্রেণীতে ছিল এবং স্কুল পরিত্যাগকালে তাহার চরিত্র ভালো ছিল। ওই তারিখে তাহার বয়স 8 বছর 11 মাস দিন 11 মাস ছিল বলিয়া বিশ্বাস। 30/5/75 তারিখে সে দ্বিতীয় শ্রেণীতে ছিল এবং স্কুল পরিত্যাগ একটু this portion was cut
Okay, he was in class 2
class
Yes,
2
Lordship.
in 1975.
He left the school in 75
Yes,
and you obtained his certificate in 93. 93, yes.
93, his name was enrolled as a voter. Page
There are-
89, Lordship, I beg your pardon. Annexure, 1989 voter list, that is 34. First time he cast his vote.
Page,
The 1989 voter list
page.
at page 34.
Come to the original, it's almost illegible. 35.
Hmm.
What is
Yeah.
35? Here, 35 is exhibited.
No, Lordship.
This is also not ex-
93, it was placed before the
No.
learned,
that you have already submitted. We are asking whether it was exhibited.
no, Lordship.
Not exhibited.
Only the 1993 voter list was exhibited. Exhibited.
1993.
Hmm.
Where is 93? This is what?
Page
19?
36. 36.
1989.
Annexure H, page 37.
89 voter list, who are there? At page 35, who are there?
Lordship, his father, page 34, his father, Kusindo Das, Renubala, his mother, and then Ranjit Das, he himself, and then Suklabala Das, his sister.
Renubala Das is your mother,
Yes, Lordship.
Ranjit.
Ranjit, he himself.
23. Shukla Baladas.
Yes.
Sister,
Yes, Lordship.
not exhibited.
No, that one not exhibited. Only 93 voter list was exhibited. Page 36.
Page next is 36.
Page 36, Lordship. Ranjit Das, he himself, Shukla Das, his sister, and Gopal Das, his brother. That one exhibited, Lordship.
Exhibit what? Exhibit what?
Exhibited, Lordship. As
Gopal, who is Gopal?
his brother.
Exhibit what?
Exhibit 3.
3. One is the school certificate, 2 is 1965, and 3 is 1993.
Yes. And another one is exhibit 4, that is caste certificate.
Page,
Page 32. Okay. And the
exhibit 4.
yes, okay.
This is proved by whom?
The DC Kachar.
Proved by? You
Actually,
said
it was
not proved.
It was not proved.
Only the petitioner had exhibited this. The issuing authority or any officer from the office, they had
No
not
one
come.
has, no one has proved this one. Family identified.
Madam, there is not a single document to link.
No, only
Exhibit 1 is a school
the
certificate
school
of,
certificate is there, but it was not proved by the headmaster. But Lordship, my humble prayer is that kindly remand back the matter. Oh,
difficult. School
give him
certificates.
at least one chance to prove his citizenship.
Any other document or any other submission?
Page 42, family identity card.
Those will not have.
It is father name is there.
Page 40.
Page 42. The vernacular is page 43. Annexure 10. Father's name is there.
Who has issued this?
Civil supply and distribution.
How will he be an authority to vouch your relationship? This is only an facility, a means to get the ration. This is not determined.
Lordship, petitioner has got, actually he has submitted, but that advocate could not submit due to advertently, he could not submit before the tribunal. That's why like, he could not prove the linkage.
Madam, that submission of yours is 26. Does not appear to be correct. First, you show us the pleadings. Where are the pleadings? Is there any pleadings that you had given it to the advocate and not exhibited?
In the petition I have mentioned it.
But the second question will be a very important question for you. It will be difficult. First, show us the pleadings. Where are the pleadings in the writ petition that these documents were given to the advocate? But yet, those were not produced before the tribunal.
Lordship, page 12.
What
Lordship.
have you stated?
It is pertinent to mention here and that the learned engaged counsel had conducted the case in a very casual and negligent manner, which is for which the petitioner suffered a huge setback, and ultimately the tribunal delivered the verdict against the. It is that although the petitioner has sufficient documents in support of his Indian nationality, but due to sheer negligence of the learned engaged counsel, some document although exhibited before the learned tribunal, the learned counsel did not take steps to call upon the appropriate authority of such documents before the learned tribunal for deposition. As a result of such
This is a different submission. This is that those documents which were produced were not
for the
proved.
fault of the
No, see, this submission, meaning of this submission is suppose this caste certificate or school certificate, those were not proved. That is the meaning. Where is the submission or pleadings that documents were handed over to the advocate
Yes.
and yet those were not produced and proved?
Yes, Lordship, I'll just show you.
I took the appointment. I see an appointment.
Lordship, kindly turn up at page 14.
Please read.
That is most respectfully submitted that due to the negligence or ignorance of the advocate for the petitioner, the exhibit 1, the school certificate, exhibit 4, the caste certificate, could not be proved in the learned tribunal. Moreover, regarding the document mentioned in Annexure 1, 7, 9, and 10, the petitioner had handed over the aforesaid documents to the learned engaged counsel, but the learned counsel did not consider to exhibit them before the learned tribunal. Hence, it is not a mistake of the petitioner, as he is completely ignorant as to the Evidence Act and the provision of law. For
1, 7, 9, and 10. What are 1, 7, 9, and 10?
1, 7, that is
What is 1?
1.
NRC.
No.
One
That
is
is, look, I
NRC.
beg your pardon, that's a mistake. Annexure 3, that one. He could not put Annexure 3, that is 1970 voter list. Then thereafter, Lordship, and
What is the, please read these pleadings again regarding Annexure 1970 voters list. What did you say? Pleadings? Just now we have read. Well, just now we have read. What is it?
Yes, Lordship. Annexure 14.
Please read it again, that advocate's negligence.
Moreover, regarding the document mentioned in Exhibit Annexure 1, 7, 9, and 10, the petitioner, Annexure 1, 7, and 9. I beg your pardon, actually, Annexure 1 was 1 and 2 was produced, but Annexure, it should be Annexure 3. 3, and then the Annexure 7, that is
Madam, what you have written is correct. If you say Annexure 3, he will be in difficulty. Why? Because you come to Annexure 3. Annexure 3,
is that
page 26, 1970 voter list.
Yes.
When
that
did
it
you,
was not exhibited.
when did you apply for it? You applied on 22/1/2019, and this opinion is
Yes,
of 7/7/2018.
It was later on, it was taken up.
So if it was
Because-
taken out
But
later,
it was with the advocate itself, Lordship.
so how can you have a document for which you had applied on 22/1/2019? You see the certified copy on the top left side.
Yes, Lordship.
You had applied after the opinion. Then how can you say that this document was with the advocate?
Later on, I have applied for it.
Later on, then how can be the advocate after the opinion? Where is the date of the opinion?
Yes, Lordship.
Opinion 7/7/18.
18.
So don't make statements
it's-
like this. These are
And
documents.
regarding the annexure.
We are not doubting the authenticity of the documents. These documents he had obtained on 22/1/2019, applied and got it on 8/2/2019. Opinion is of 7/7/18. Is it possible that this document was with
Yes,
the
yes,
advocate?
yes.
Could not have been.
The 1985 voter list also, Lordship, that one he could not exhibit.
85 voters list.
Annexure 4,
This could have been, but this is not a connection. This is only Kushindra and Renubala.
Annexure 7, that is, Lordship, his name is enlisted along with his
Only
father.
voters list which would have perhaps helped you is page 35, 1989.
Yes, Lordship.
1989,
Annexure 7,
Annexure 7.
Annexure 7 and
This is not
Annexure
exhibit.
9.
But this was not exhibited.
No.
And this could have helped.
Perhaps this could have been the only document
Yes,
of yourself along with your parents.
parents, yes. Another one is that Lordship, Annexure 9, 96. It's a extract portion. Annexure
Page
page 38.
38 we cannot, that is not even a certified copy.
Okay.
Page 38 is not a certified copy. That will not help you. The only document which perhaps could have come to your rescue is page 35. And here you may have a case because this was applied on 13/12/2016 and the document was with you on 19/1/2017. Come to page 35.
Yes, Lord.
19/1, it was an available document which could have been perhaps
Exhibited.
exhibited, proved in the tribunal, which you have not done.
Yes.
Other names, everything are consistent, or is there anything else? Names of the father, mother, consistent.
Name, yes, Lordship. Only the, like, that is spelling a Kusindra, one bottle is, it is Kusindra, each is missing, and then otherwise it's okay.
Anything else?
So that's my humble submission. He ought to, if he could have exhibit that one Annexure 7, he could have declared the Indian only. So my humble submission is that kindly remand the matter back to the Planet Tribunal for consideration. And then above all, he could not exhibit, could not prove with the appropriate authority regarding the annexure.
But you have been deported by now. Reported.
But he will be protected under the cow. So
Have you been deported by now?
no.
How do
I'm
you
on
know?
bail.
Oh, you're on bail
Yes.
from 19.
Yes, yes. 4/12/2019.
Yes. Any citation?
Worship, at present, I'm not having it. I'll give you a lot of, add to.
You'll argue in installments.
Lordship,
One day
my
for
consideration
citation,
is because
one day for
since
written
my- Lordship,
submission.
since my father, parents are, parents, grandfather, all are Indian citizens. So I'm also born in the Indian soil, so I may be considered an Indian citizen.
That is the submission in all cases. We are more interested in the link. If you are born post 1971, you have to establish a link through document with your parents.
Lordship,
Now that document was not before the tribunal.
because I could have, due to the fault of the advocate, I could not exhibit the annexure 7, because where the linkage is with my father. So I could have declared as intention. Above all, the those documents, school documents, and the caste certificate, that on my due to the negligence of my advocate, I could not prove, because I am a layman. I have no knowledge.
You had gone to school
Yeah, I read up to class 2.
only.
Yes, Lordship.
You give thumb impression of what?
No, Lordship.
You have beautiful handwriting.
Perhaps handwriting can be beautiful, Lordship, after trying several
A
times.
person who is not literate or hardly
No, something it
literate.
happens because handwriting is a the
No,
nice
no.
good handwriting
have
is
good
a
handwriting,
inborn quality of a
To have
person.
good
No?
handwriting, one needs to have a
Because-
pen or a
because-
pencil in his hand. If you have
No,
never,
it's an inborn quality of a person, Lordship. So some people, even though are not educated, their handwriting also so nice, Lordship. Perhaps he's an artist.
hey, madam, you have used the expression educated. We are not on education. We are on the question of literate, knowing to read and write. One who has not held a pen or a pencil, can his handwriting be good?
But as per the record, he is read up to class 2. He write
My handwriting is not good. We have just made a sub cursory. Handwriting is very bad. See how he has written Ranjit. Ranjit Das. Bad handwriting. But you do not know how to read vernacular, so you'll not know what he has written. Yes.
It is not pursued, it is die down. Trust two is not pursued. Only small things develop with trust. It is not pursued. Education is not pursued. Die down. So you forget what you like.
Lordship 65 voters list, which is their lordship, it's of grandfather, father and mother. And after that, there's a jump, there's the second voter list is of 1993. In between 70s voters list is there, then 85, there is a shifting, the ones which have not been exhibited before the tribunal lodges. And 89, when the petitioner voted for the first time at page 34 lodges. Here his parents, page 34 lordship. This 89 voters list, which lordship has suggested would have helped him lordship. This was not exhibited, but 93 voters list and lordship checks. The father and mother's name is missing at page 36. Which is before the court now.
Only,
93
only siblings.
Yes, only with the siblings. Then the WS, there's no mention of the siblings or the mother.
Just a minute, please. 1993. When did your parents, what happened to the parents in 1993?
Actually, parents' name was there, but its certificate copy has not been obtained. Its parents' names are there. My father expired in the year 2013. Prior to
13.
that, yes, prior to that, my parents' names are there.
Father-
Even it is reflected in the voter list of 1989. It is reflected my parents' name.
No, that is okay. What Madam Verma is emphasizing, 1989 voters list contains the name of your parents along with you.
Hmm.
But unfortunately, that voter list is not exhibited.
Yes.
So it was not considered, cannot be considered. What can be considered is a voter list of 1993, which was exhibited as Exhibit 3.
Hmm.
But in this voters list, there are 3 names: Ranjit Das, the petitioner, and one projected brother and one projected sister. Parents' names are missing.
But it's there, it's the original list, it's there, but a certificate copy.
No,
perhaps not.
that we do not know.
97 again, they reappear, the names.
That is what I wanted to point out, Raj. And but 97 is again the extract of a voter.
97 is not even a certified copy.
It is not, it is just an extract copy, Raj.
But their names are there.
97 cannot be relied upon at all, Lordship. But
Extract.
93, if the parents' names.
89, they could have.
Authenticity
could have been.
would have been there, Lordship.
89 is a certified copy, but not exhibited. But
Not exhibited.
97 is not even a certified copy.
But
We
if,
cannot-
if your lordship, give me some time, I can obtain it.
Where? Obtain it in the High Court.
No, from the.
No, no,
senior, sir.
obtain it and produce in the High Court. That will not help you. We are not an appellate jurisdiction, exercising appellate jurisdiction. You know the limitation of a certiorari jurisdiction. You can bank upon this voter list of 1989 not exhibited. That is your only strength, nothing else.
School certificate, Lordship. In the vernacular, her father's name has a Chandra in between, and in the translated copy, it is just pushing the Das.
No, school certificate otherwise also was obtained after 20 years,
15 years.
almost 20 years, 93 and 75.
Yes. So basically, not a single document to show the linkage of the petitioner with the projected parents' lordship. And the huge jump from 65 to 93. In between, continuous stay is also not proved, Lordship, whether they have been here or they have not been. Here.
This voter list of 1993 is pertains to which village?
After shifting, Lordship, after 1985.
There is a shifting.
1985, there is a shifting at page 28.
85 pertains to which? So 65 is which village? 65?
65 is of
Village,
Saraspur.
Saraspur.
70 is also Saraspur, then 85 is Govinda Kupa
70 is not exhibited,
exhibited.
but nonetheless Saraspur. 85?
65, Lordship.
85?
85 is Govinda Kupa.
Govinda?
Kupa. KUP.
Where the petitioner was born.
Govinda Kupa.
Yes, Lordship.
And this 89?
All after that, it is the same village.
Govinda Kupa.
Yes, Lordship.
Govinda Kupa. And 93 exhibited documents,
Kupa, Lordship. Govinda Kupa.
page 37.
That is. Checked it.
It's a Govinda Kupa.
Govinda Kupa.
Yes.
Caste certificate also you have not produced, not proved.
Yes, lordship.
The extra copy, the list of the parents is there, but it is.
Your father passed away in 2013.
WS does not contain the name of the mother or the siblings, Lordship. Only the father's name is there,
Let us see where is the WS.
page 44.
44.
Yes, Lordship. Paragraph 6, Lordship. That the OP was born on 36/1966. Of village Govinda Kupa, PO Gumra, Bazar, Kachigora, under the district of Katrai. And as such, she has obtained a school certificate white serial so and so in 93, issued by the head teacher of Govinda Nagar LP School Kachar. 7 is the OP's father's name is Kushindra Das, son of Kutiram Das. And as such, his name has been recorded in the voter list of 65. That is all that is stated. Then the OP's name has been recorded in the voters list of 1993. Here, there is no mention that they have been staying there, they have previous voters list but could not exhibit. No material facts are before the tribunal. That they, then paragraph 789 is the OP has a caste certificate. White book number so and so. And last paragraph, she says that she's very much Indian national and not, she is not a stream of foreigners came to Assam all over before.
Why have become she, Ranjit? Everywhere has become she.
Due to mistake of the lawyer.
This is Ranjit or Ranjita?
Ranjit's.
Ranjit.
He has.
Ranjit
signed
has
the-
become she. Not in one line, 2-3 lines.
Yes,
Or was it cut paste?
he actually.
Cut paste from a previous WS regarding a female proceedee.
It happened.
and
Copy
even-
paste.
And even if he went to school, he knew how to sign also. Nowhere has he stated, apart from 93 and 65 voters list, that there are any other voters list in their possession, lordship. Neither in his deposition nor in his WS. That was the only document before the tribunal. So the petitioner has miserably failed to show a linkage with the projected benefit.
Miserably failed.
Miserably failed, lordship.
Yeah, miserably failed. One adjective has been added, not failed, miserably failed. Have you failed miserably?
Lordship, I consider his case.
Yes, any
under the
citation, madam? We have those Rashminara and others. But not Mahiruddin.
Lordship has given a protection to his brother also. 2 days back, his case was before this honorable under the car.
The car. So if she's opting for that, that is separate, but on merit, she has no case.
You would be
Yes.
entitled to benefit of CA.
Yes, his brother case has been
Just
lordship
give
passed an
the
order.
ultimate disposed of the matter at the motion stage.
Okay, you want a similar order?
Yes,
Ka.
there is no other alternative.
But we'll consider on merits also. If you fail on merits, we'll explore that option of Ka.
Okay, lordship.
That brother's case was disposed of on motion stage.
Yes, lordship.
New matter.
Yes.
The 19 matter, she sought for time, then lordship said.
Thereafter,
19
lordship suggested me to apply for car.
was,
WBC number 6786.
Do you have a copy?
No.
Oh, okay, we'll have
6786.
WPC brother's case.
Hmm.
What is the name of the brother?
Biresh Das.
Biresh.
Yes.
WPC
6786.
19.
Lordship.
Disposed of.
On 13/5, it was listed, lordship. You got the copy of that?
No, I didn't get. Yeah, I have not.
We had passed an elaborate judgment.
No, just small judgment.
Oh, without going to the merits of the challenge, giving option to explore option
Yes.
the car. Okay.
Yes, lordship.
Videsh Das.
Lordship, if she says that that petitioner was her brother, there's no mention of his name in the WS, neither in the voters list.
It is.
But here you have argued on merits. That case you had said that you'd be satisfied with that. We'll consider your challenge on merits. If you fail, okay.
Mm.
J. Paul. Ms. J. Paul, then A. Verma, then all. The hearing is concluded. Judgment is reserved. It was it.
But no mention in. No mention in.
Nice. That is linkage document is there. but not
हाँ,
proof.
हाँ,
Not exit.
Or not even produced.
Oh, God.
Okay.
Obliged lordship.
Evidentiary.
May I be allowed? Lordship, in this case, Lordship, TRC was not called for, Lordship.
Hmm?
TRC, even TRC was not called for, Lordship. Lordship.
Not called for.
Not called for, Lordship. So it was filed by some other person. I am newly engaged some subsequently, Lordship. And in this case, Lordship, some documents were required to submit me, Lordship. I have collected it last week, Lordship. Some documents, Lordship. But
Some document at this stage, is it possible? It's not our original proceeding.
yes,
We are just examining the decision of a tribunal.
the documents, Lordship, which has exhibited, Lordship, but here it is not annexed, Lordship. That's why I have collected it. It is exhibited already.
Those are in all cases, we will consider on merits.
But
We have the records with us. Okay. Huh?
Maybe not, we don't have a particular copy. Yes.
No, the records have not been called for.
call for, Lordship.
Okay.
Record may be called for, Lordship.
Okay. We go to call for. Heard 3A M.S. Mazumdar, learned counsel for the petitioner, who has put to challenge an opinion dated so-and-so, passed by so-and-so, whereby so-and-so. Huh?
Page 23, Lordship.
Though this writ petition is pending since the year 2021, we have found that notice is yet to be issued and records of the learned tribunal are yet to be called for. Para, in the interest of justice, we direct we direct a requisition. I direct that the records be requisitioned. Full stop. Registry to take immediate steps. Full stop. List for motion hearing. On 16th, on 19th of, no, not 19th, 17th of June. 17th of June.
I'll think.
Let extra copy of the writ petition be served upon the learned counsel for the respondents.
Obliged.
Item 4. I.H. Laskar. I.H. Laskar Imrani. Where is Mr. Laskar? I.H. Laskar. None appears for the petitioner on call, whereas the learned counsel for the respondents are present. Full stop. It appears that the names of all the counsel for the petitioner have not been reflected in the cause list. Full stop. List after a week on, we give a date. List on, don't say after a week, list on 27th, 27/5/2026 by reflecting the names of all the counsel for the petitioner in the cause list. Madam D. Ghosh, she is there. Her name is not there in the cause list. I've just checked up. Okay. If she's around, I think please inform her.
But not before the.
Probably not by Surana. Which get allows. Okay.
I'll inform her.
Item 5.
Dr. Sharma, what
Custodial date here also.
custodial death?
Custodial date.
Coming for the first time.
Yes, no.
What has happened actually?
There's a fire against me, against my son, your lordship, that she took away the daughter of the complainant, your lordship. She was stated to be a minor at that point of time, 17 years. Then later on, my son, your lordship, intended to surrender before the police, and he was taken into custody by the police from Udalguri on 8/6/2025. Thereafter, he was brought to Nunmati police station.
What is the PM report?
Lordship?
PM?
PM is at, relevant portion is at page 25, your lordship. And cause of death, your lordship, that was kept pending, and that has not been given, your lordship. It was sent for forensic examination, your lordship. And that is pending. Page 24 is the cause of death. It is shown, your lordship. But the final.
The toxicology report is besides the injuries found on the body of the deceased.
That has.
And there is an opinion that all the injuries described are antemortem and caused by blunt force impact.
Lordship.
And what is the proximity of his death and the date of arrest? Next day.
On the same, he was
taken to Udalguri.
He was taken from Udalguri to Nunmati on 8. But
No, from Nunmati to Udalguri first.
From Udalguri to Nunmati.
He was arrested at Udalguri.
He was not arrested there, your lordship. He was just taken into custody. He was there at Udalguri. He intended that he wanted to surrender, and he was taken into custody. He was brought to Nunmati police station on 8, and he was shown arrested on 10th. He was 2 days, your lordship, he was there. And on 10th, he was shown arrested and produced before the magistrate, your lordship. And on the same date, he was remanded to custody, your lordship. And on the same date, on 10th night, he died, your lordship, in custody.
One minor, he was Udalguri with one minor. He was Udalguri with one minor.
That minor girl was recovered prior to that. Yes.
No, we are not on the aspect of the offense, if any, vis-a-vis committed by the deceased. We are on the aspect of the death of the son of the petitioner on the allegation that there was custodial torture.
This is the notice table. 1-3 where I am.
Heard Dr. R. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. The petitioner is seeking public law remedy under Article 226 of the Constitution of India by claiming compensation for the custodial death of her son. Full stop. It is alleged that in connection with Nunmati PS case number 114 of 2015, in which the son of the petitioner was arraigned as an accused, the son desired to surrender, and accordingly on 8 of what?
June.
8 June 2025, he was taken into custody at Udalguri and
I was taken to Nunmati police station on 9 years.
on
On
9/6/2025, he was taken into custody and brought to the Nunmati police station and was soon arrested on the next day, i.e. 10/6/2025. Full stop. It has also been submitted that on 11/6/2025, the petitioner was produced before
On 10th, he was produced, Your Lordship.
on 10th, that on not, you said 11th?
11,
on
that was intimation.
কি করল তার আগরখানি? তার আগরখানি আগর লাইনটুকু না দুবার কেউ লিখিলে হলে he has taken into custody at Udalguri on 9/6/2025 and brought to the Nunmati PS and on the next date, that is 10/6/2025, he was produced before the learned CJM Kamrup. However, on the very next morning of 11/6/2025, the son of the petitioner had expired. Full stop. The learned counsel has submitted.
He died on 10th itself, Your Lordship.
The learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the death was actually on the evening of 10/6/2025, and there are prima facie evidence to show that such death was a result of custodial torture. Let notice be issued returnable on 22nd of June 2026. Sri P. Sharma Learned State Council accepts notice on behalf of respondent numbers 1 and 3. What about the finance department? You have made finance a party. Why?
Because they claim for compensation. That's
How is the finance department concerned? Finance has no role. No role at all. It has nothing to do with some.
That was strike of Your Lordship.
Who is there? H. Alia is there in the court. H. Alia, is he there in the court? H. Alia, standing counsel.
That was strike of Your Lordship.
Okay, then, but there will be difficulty in again arraying of parties. Let H. Alia, standing counsel finance for 2 extra copies. Okay. By the next date, the state respondents are required to file the affidavit explaining the position.
Obliged.
Against 6.
Yes, you are seeking time. Why?
I having additional affidavit, Lordship, in the morning.
Yes, no, we'll have it, no problem.
Additional affidavit copy number.
DOTS. DO82.
From January, you are seeking time. Why? From January, you are seeking time. Why are you seeking time like this? You say that it is an ex parte order.
Yes, Lordship.
Ex parte regarding, what is the report of the Jarikara?
It was served in the fish market of the Kahilipara area, Lordship. Lordship may come to paragraph 4 of the impugned order, Lordship.
Now let us see the report of the Jarikara. Where is it?
It's not there, Lordship.
Was notice served upon you or not?
That was not served. Subsequently, I was served by some other person, Lordship.
Who is the other person?
A nearby.
You come to the impugned opinion at page 32,
Yes,
the fourth paragraph.
yes.
Please read.
Notice, fourth paragraph, notice received after service and cases fixed on 17.
Notice was received by you. Oh, okay. Madam, I think there is some, come to paragraph, fourth paragraph. Is this requirement, is it compliance with the requirement regarding service of notice? If you are not found, it has to be fixed in the last known place of residence.
Conspicuous, please.
Conspicuous place. Now, what is the
Fish mark.
Not according to procedure.
Last.
on the wall of the fish market of Kahilipara, where the opposite party last resided? Perhaps this will not be
It's to be pasted on the place where he last resided, Lordship.
last.
Last resided, and what is his address? We can look at his address and where he last been from. Sometimes, Lordship, they evade the notice. So wherever
Yeah.
they find it, they put.
And why this delay, Mr. Bora?
Yes, Lordship.
This is the opinion of 2019.
That we have engaged the advocate, Lordship.
No, why this delay in coming to the court? 19 opinion you are challenging now, 26. Have you made a statement that you have come to know about this opinion later?
Yes.
What is your explanation regarding the delay?
Paragraph 16, Lordship.
At 60.
But 16 you said that you engaged the council to get the matter, get the expert opinion set aside or what? What was it? Why did you engage the council?
To appear before the FT.
For review.
Yes, Lordship.
So what was done?
That
Was any
not
review
done by the
filed?
engaged council.
Hmm?
That was not done by the engaged council.
When did you engage the council?
I do not have the
The
record.
sufficient time has expired now,
Yes,
elapsed
Lord, that is correct, Lord.
7 years.
Yes.
This matter cannot go on, this dilly-dallying tactic will not, we will not encourage.
This has gone from the election officer, ERO has sent the reference, Lordship. So, prima facie is just limited. The address given was only Kangaroo-Para colony, York.
No, that is okay. We may accept his submission so far as notice is concerned. But he says that after coming to know of this order, he had engaged the council to file a review application. When was it done? And he says that council had not taken any steps.
Yes, Lord.
But when was it done? You have not stated anything.
Delay has to be explained elaborately now. And it's a reference of 97, Lordship.
I'm getting.
The election ERO report is of 97. She was very much aware of this proceeding. Today claiming that I did not receive the notice or I have no knowledge about the proceeding, Lordship, that is unfound for. And when this inquiry was done, she was still the wife of Satish Manna. And it was done when the extensive electoral roll was being taken.
Just a minute, just a minute. Madam, what we are proposing, we may remand this matter, but not subject to payment of cost. And we'll fix a date
At 60 days, Lordship.
and we'll also mention about the 60 days disposal. And on the date fixed, he will have to file the written statement, all the examination in evidence, chief examination,
Yes, Lordship.
and a cost.
Considerable delay is there, Lordship, not explained on.
The instant application under Article 226 of the Constitution of India has been filed challenging an opinion dated so and so, passed by so and so, in case number so and so, whereby the petitioner has been declared a foreigner post 1971. The primary ground of challenge is that the opinion has been rendered ex parte and the petitioner was deprived of an opportunity to defend herself. Para. We have heard three so and so, learned counsel for the petitioner. We have also heard three so and so. Para. Three Bora, the learned counsel for the petitioner, by drawing the attention of this court to the impugned opinion, has submitted that it would appear that the notice was not served in the manner contemplated by law. Full stop. He has submitted that admittedly the notice was affixed on a wall of a fish market of Kahilipara, where the opposite party last resided. Full stop. It is submitted that at no point of time the notice was served or received by her. Full stop. It is also submitted that coming to know, the paragraph on the aspect of the delay in making the present challenge, comma, the learned counsel has submitted that on coming to know about the opinion dated 8/7/2019, comma, he had engaged a counsel to take steps to file an application for review, which however was not done, and accordingly the delay has occasioned. Para. Per contra, comma, the learned counsel for the respondents have, while exceeding, have fairly submitted that the manner by which the notice was served does not appear to be in strict compliance with the requirements of law. Full stop. However, it is strenuously argued that the delay in approaching this court has not been adequately absent. Full stop. It is specifically argued that approaching a counsel to file a review and thereafter coming to this court after a lapse of about 7 years will reflect gross negligence and laches. Para. The aspect of Murkhon Kutgun. Murkhon. Murkhon Kutgun. এখন মূৰখন নহয়। The aspect of service of notice is laid down in the foreigners within bracket tribunals bracket close order 1964. Full stop. Under order 5, rule under order 3 within bracket 5 bracket 5, comma, it is 5 A B the procedure has been laid down. Full stop. For the sake of convenience, the provisions are extracted here in below. 5 A B C D E F. No? F. Para. In the instant case, comma, it appears from the impugned opinion that the notice was fixed on the wall of the fish market where the petitioner had last resided, full stop, para. There is no specific finding as to where the residence of the petitioner was, full stop, para. Having said that, comma, we are, however, not impressed at all with the explanation provided for the delay in approaching this court, full stop. While the petitioner admits that information of the opinion was received by her, comma, the explanation is that an advocate was approached to file a review, which was not done, full stop. Such explanation will not be sufficient to explain the period or inordinate and long period of about 7 years to challenge the ex-parte opinion, full stop, para. Under the aforesaid facts and circumstances, comma, we are of the opinion that while a case for interference is made out with a direction for remand, comma, the same has to be subjected to certain cost to be deposited by the petitioner, para. The writ petition accordingly stands allowed, and the impugned ex-parte opinion dated 8/7/2019 is set aside with the following direction, full stop. The petitioner would direction, the matter is remanded back to the learned tribunal with a direction to the petitioner to appear before the tribunal on June 12th, 2026, along with a written statement and the evidence in chief of all the witnesses. Full stop. On such appearance and filing of the requisites as directed above, comma, the same would be accepted by the learned tribunal and would take charge of the proceedings, full stop. It is also directed that the learned tribunal would endeavor to complete the proceedings in consonance with Order 314, which lays down completion of such proceeding within a period of 60 days, full stop, para. As indicated above, comma, the petitioner is also required to pay cost of rupees 5,000 in favor of the Mokodima. What is it? Our benevolent fund?
Lawyers' bill.
Not benevolent, there's something else.
Lordship, it goes to basically the legal.
Why legal aid? Legal aid has got enough money. Bar association has got no money. Let it go to the bar association. Bar association. Okay. Huh? Oh, no. Okay. Itu di ba আমার লেখা আছে তোমার বার কাউন্সিল মোটাতেও লেখা আছে মোর পর লই লবা You appear on that date along with everything.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll take a break of 5 minutes.
Obliged. May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, the impugned order is at page 111, Lordship. This is a Lordship contested case, Lordship.
For fresh matter.
Face matter, Lordship.
24.
It's around 2 years.
Opinion of which year?
24, Lordship. 29/5/20.
Why have you come so late?
Some late, Lordship, due to financial condition, actually, Lordship.
Financial. Okay.
Labor
Her-
class family, Lordship.
Sri J. Abbas learned counsel for the petitioner who has put to challenge an opinion dated so and so, passed by so and so, in case number so and so, whereby the petitioner has been declared a foreigner post 1971. What are your grounds?
Mainly grounds lordship that non-consideration of some evidence lordship.
What evidence?
Evidence, basically the evidence of the witnesses has not been totally not considered lordship.
Who are the witnesses?
Witness of my brother is the elder brother lordship.
Document.
Documents lordship, I have annexed the one land documents where source.
It is contended that the available evidence were not properly considered. Para, let notice be issued, returnable on 22nd of June 2026. Union of India, anyone? Union of India.
He told me she's the favorite.
Jay Sharma, who's Jay Sharma?
He was there.
Okay. Ms. Jay Sharma, CGC. Union of India, then Election Commission, who's there? And Kolita on behalf of AI Ali, 2. Then Madam Verma for 3,
5 lordship,
3, 5, and 6 also perhaps.
6 G Sharma.
Okay, 3 and 5. Then 4 is P Sharma, State Council, District Commission. 6 is G Sharma, Standing Council NRC for 6 extra copies. Okay. Call for the records, requisition.
Lordship, I am staying for interim protection.
Inter after 2 years.
Lordship, at least from deportation lordship. She is a 57
The interim order for interim order not to be deported shall be considered on the returnable date. Why do you come late?
Lordship, yes, there is some late.
If you come late, you will not get the benefit.
Obliged,
Yes.
lordship.
May I please, lordship? Impugned opinion as based, my lord, 82, my lord.
FT,
F, my lord.
date
2/6/2025, my lord.
2/6/25.
2025.
Yes, madam. What are your grounds?
My lord,
Grounds?
some of the documents which are not taken consideration, my lord.
What is
Land
your
of-
age? Age of the petitioner?
It's 61, my lord.
Your J. Ahmed.
Yeah.
Heard 3 J. A. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner who has put to challenge an opinion so and so declared foreigner. It is contended that same hoga available were not. Applicant is again issue notice. Returnable same price. Union of India again J. Sharma. J. Sharma, Miss J. Sharma. Election Commission S. Kotoki, Miss S. Kotoki. 2. Home Department, Madam 3, 4,
4 and 7.
3, 4, and 7. Then 5 State Coordinator G. Sharma, NRC Standing Council, and 6 State Council P. Sharma. Extra copies. Call for the records, requisition. And so and so call praise for an interim order, which is opposed. Not suppose he has yet to be arrested and therefore praise for an interim order. You appear on or before which honor, not honor before. Yes, you prefer honor before. Please 22nd. We appear honor before 3rd of June. You get the certified copy today itself. Okay.
Obliged.
Which one? SP what? Which one, Mr. Ahmed? SP Borpeta? SP Border Borpeta. Item number?
10, my lord. My lord, opinion is of Yeah, 2020, my lord.
20.
My lord.
Why it's so late?
My lord, only one thing, my lord, kindly see, opinion was rendered on 3/2/2020, my lord. And only after a month, my lord, lockdown was imposed, my lord, almost 2 years, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, due to acute still.
Lockdown, we thought it was for 7 years.
No, my lord, 2 years I have.
7
And
years.
then, my lord.
Till
due to-
2026, lockdown was there.
Then acute financial hardship, my lord.
And now,
Even if lockdown period is 15.
now, hardship is not there.
Normal,
Now
somehow,
you're financially sound,
not sound.
not sound.
And otherwise, my lord, so far factual part is concerned, my lord.
But you don't take the excuse of lockdown in 2026.
No, my lord.
You have not come in 2023 or 2024. Lockdown is over, lockdown, long time.
Yes.
Now new lockdown will come. So before that comes, you had better move it.
Logically, the issue of being great.
Okay. It's AHMR Chaudhary.
Yes.
That concept. No? Let's put to challenge. What are your grounds?
My lord, ground is that, my lord, the evidence of his witnesses were not appreciated properly, my lord.
Same vague ground. Same ground, huh? That's what on the other hand, the learned counsel for the respondents have submitted that there has been gross delay in approaching this court and accordingly questions the maintainability. Para, be the resignation, notice. Returnable same date, huh? By study. Call for the Nantara got say them date, risk to accept to the 1 Union of India again G Sharma. Miss J Sharma, huh? Home Department, Madam Verma, 2
2-4 lordship.
2-4. 3 District Commissioner is P Sharma. 5 Election Commissioner of India, Miss S Kotoki, and 6 Standing Council G Sharma for NRC. Extra copies, call for the records. Huh? The issue of maintainability is however kept open.
Publish.
On the grounds of delay, yes, on the grounds of delay. Charlie,
My lord. My lord, the impugned opinion, my lord, page number 117, my lord.
29/11/24.
My lord. But in case in obtaining this certified copy of some of the documents, my lord, some of the copies, my lord, were obtained only in 19/12/2025, my lord. So therefore, my lord, some delay occurred, my lord, in filing.
Copies, obtaining it now, will it help you?
My lord.
Those copies are not
Of course.
before the tribunal.
Of course, their delay, my lord. I admit, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, so far as the merit of the case is concerned,
Your yearly,
my lord.
Arts free yearly learned counsel for the petitioner who has put to challenger. It is submitted that the AKSM has not taken into consideration the relevant documents for it is also submitted that the petitioner let notice be issued returnable on 22nd of a case of Union of India J Sharma, then Madam A Verma for 2, 3, 2, 3, 2 and 3. Where is Mr. Shah? 2 and 3? Election Officer Dhubri. And 4 and 5, I think you can take. Miss Ripi Sharma, standing State Council for 4 and 5. And G. Sharma standing counsel NRP for 6, correct? Extra copies.
7 also is there. Lordship.
7 we have 7. Miss Escort, okay, 7. Standing counsel ECF. Extra copies, call for the records. Office to requisition.
My lord, may I have refer some protection? Otherwise, the tribunal has appointed I have established no relation with my parents, my lord.
The prayer for interim order not to be deported would be considered on the returnable date.
I am obliged.
Should come to the court in time. You're
My-
coming after 2 years.
I understand. I am obliged.
14, I will 14.
May it please, Your Lordship. The city impugned order is page 50, annexure 15.
We'll complete this matter and second half we'll have some difficulty in sitting. So this probably will be the last matter. Others. There is a matter fixed at 12 o'clock, but I said matter to you. Oh, no, they did. Okay. 6, 3, 4, 2. What is your name? Your name?
A. Hussain, Lordship.
Your A. Hussain.
Lordship.
Any CGC, who's the CGC? J. Sharma. We are not being able to locate who is J. Sharma. Then it's okay. Yes. Your impugned opinion, which page?
Lordship, page 5050, annexure 15, Lordship.
50.
Lordship.
Date of the opinion. 22/2/19.
2019, Lordship.
Which FT? Bongaigaon.
Lordship, Abhayapuri. Bongaigaon to Abhayapuri.
Okay. Your date or year of birth?
Petitioner. Lordship. As per document is 43 years in the year of 2016, Lordship.
You deduce what would be the year of your birth? Yes, year of birth.
Lordship, come.
Yes, Madam Kotoki, you are good in arithmetic. What is the year of birth?
2019.
Huh?
2019, his date of birth would be 1976, is 43 years.
1976. Yes, Madam Kotoki, you also make the calculation. Do the arithmetic. According to you, Mr. Hussain, 1976.
76.
Huh? Yes. You filed the written statement.
Lordship.
When? Please যাও করা হয়েছে
29/8/2014 Lordship.
মই এইটো লেখাই ল'ম ইয়াৰ পৰা শেষ কৰি দিম by 1 o'clock আৰু না তুমি মাৰি থোৱা
29/8/2014
14
Lordship. And excerpt 3 page 22. It is
page 24 page 24
22 Lordship.
22 okay what are the documents let us see what are your documents
Lordship, the petitioner annexed to voter list of his grandfather Lordship. That is 1960.
let us see the grandfather 60 page
33 Lordship.
the name of the petitioner what is the name Robial
No Lordship.
petitioner's name
Petitioner is now appeared.
no
with
no name of your petitioner Robial Hussain Rabiel RABIY
Rabiel.
Hussain you want us to see which voters list at page
33 Lordship.
23 yes 1966 voters list
Lordship.
who's there Nayamuddin
Naimuddin is grandfather and his
grandfather
grandfather.
and who is this Achijan
Grandmother Lordship.
grandmother how can it be grandmother grandfather is 45 grandmother is 65 huh
Lordship.
what is the name of your father
Father name is Lordship Shukur Ali. That is in the year 1985 voter list reflected.
but these ages are not matching at all
Lordship, the grandparents of the petitioner were originally Dhumurguri Part 2 Lordship. And in the year 1970, the petitioner family shifted to Tilpukuri Lordship.
Mr. Ahmed we are Mr. Hussain we are not on the aspect of shifting
Lordship.
we are on the aspect of the ages of your grandfather and grandmother since you are referring to page 33
Lordship.
your grandfather is seen to be aged 45 years
Lordship.
and your grandmother 65 years.
Lordship.
It, slightly difficult to accept. It may be possible,
Lordship.
but slightly difficult to accept, isn't it?
Lordship. Lordship. In this case, Lordship, Lordship, in this case, the linkage with the grandfather of the petitioner is not established. But petitioner father purchased a plot of land via a registered sale deed in the year 1970 in Tilpukuri Lordship.
1970.
1970. I'm referring that registered sale deed which was exhibited before the learned tribunal, but that was not considered Lordship. Now my prayer is that if his father purchased the land in the year 1970 through a registered sale deed and that was exhibited before the learned tribunal, so his case may be considered under the stream Lordship.
No, that would be a case of citizenship of your father. How do you link yourself with the father? You show us a linkage with your father which is acceptable, credible,
His father,
trustworthy.
his father name appeared in the voter list in the year 1985 for the first time Lordship.
Father's name.
Father name.
30 years.
No, your connection with your father.
My connection is my father and mother and father name appear in the year of 1985 and 1970. Thereafter, my name was appear along with my mother Lordship. Not
Father?
After expiry of father, my name is along with my mother.
Let's put this chronologically. Let us see if
Lordship.
anything is made out. First, you have shown us 66 voters list.
That was
Grandfather, grandparents.
Right.
Thereafter,
1917 voter list of that village, Lordship. Dhumurguri part 2,
page.
page 34, Lordship. Next
30
page.
Okay. Thereafter,
Lordship. Page 35, Lordship.
these were exhibited.
Lordship exhibited, all are exhibited.
66 is what? Exhibit 1. 66.
Exhibit 1, Lordship.
And 70 exhibit 2.
70 exhibit 2, Lordship.
'85. From 70, you come to 85.
Right.
When did your grandparents pass away? Are they alive?
No, in the year 1970, as per written statement, evidence, in the year 1970, grandparents expired, Lordship.
Both.
Lordship, only it was written in 1970, grandfather was expired.
Grandfather.
Grandfather.
No, 70 voters, grandfather's name is there.
The
Same year.
Then next voter list is 1985 at page 35.
Here is parents' name of the petitioner appeared, Lordship. After shift.
Parents' name.
Lordship.
Shukur is your father.
Shukur Ali is his father and Rubjan is mother, Lordship.
33 years. Mother is Rubjan.
Lordship.
Why father's voter list prior to this is not there? You are 33 years. Father is 33 years.
Lordship. His father was born in the 1957 and it should be in the year 1978, Lordship. He, in the 1970, he's ought to be 21 years, Lordship. In that time, 21 years. But in the voter list, it was mentioned 33 years, Lordship. In paragraph 12 of writ petition, I have explained, Lordship.
What is your explanation?
May I read, Lordship?
Yes. Paragraph?
12, Lordship, page 12.
Yes, please read.
His father's age ought to be 28 years in the voter list of 1985 exhibit 3. Which,
33 years.
Exhibit 3.
Yes.
But his age was wrongly recorded as 33 years. In 1997, voter list of his father's age was correctly recorded as 40 years. And his mother is also ought to 40 years in the year 1997, but her age was recorded as 35 years as she was 28 years in the year 1985. Again, in perusal of the voter list of 2006, exhibit 6, his mother age ought to be 49 years, but her age was shown as 42 years, making of difference 12 years with the petitioner age. In actual, mother age ought to be 49 years, and there will be difference of 19 years between the mother and son. In 2014, voter list of exhibit 8, 2014 voter list exhibit
Paragraph 12, we have given the
explanation. I have.
We'll see.
Yes. And next voter list exhibit annexure 8, page 36, voter list of 1997. Lordship.
Tukur.
Chukur. Next one is Lordship, 2006 voter list, and page 37. Lordship.
Ruphan is sister,
Mother.
Mother, Lordship.
mother. Mother is difference.
Your mother and your the age difference is 12.
12, that is, it will be 19, Lordship, that
Huh?
was some.
But your age in 2006 was 30 years. What happened to earlier voter list? When did your father expire?
Father. 2004, Lordship.
See, you have admitted that your date of birth may not be known to you, but year of birth is 1976, around 1976. 86, 96, 96, your name should have been there in the voters list. Because in 1989, the minimum age for voting was made 18 years. So from 1991, 92, 96, you have attained 96. Then, but your voters list, first voters list, where your name is there, is 2006. And admittedly, you are shown to be 30 years of age. So question therefore will arise, why your name was not enlisted in the earlier voters list? And if those were enlisted, if the name was enlisted, why the same said voters list were not produced and proved? You are trying to build a link with your mother, whose name appears with your father
Father,
in 97.
97.
97.
Under same house, same village, Lordship.
But father, is there any link with father? How do you link with your father and your grandfather?
Lordship, father and
Father's voters list of 33, page 33, age 33 is of 1985. Even that raises doubts. Why no voters list of earlier period of your father?
earlier was not enlisted any.
Not enlisted. Why? 33 years. It is natural to ask page
Lordship,
35.
85 voters list. His mother and Ruphan.
Lordship. Lordship, in the year 1978, his father is will be 21 years. After 78, there is a brutalist in 85, Lordship. There is no brutalist in Lordship. His father name ought to be appeared in the year 1978, Lordship.
78.
But in the year, in our
Not
document.
70, fathers, okay.
Father, Lordship. 85 brutalist. So 70 and 85. In between other brutalist is Lordship, not. That's why. Lordship.
Difficult, then what else? And Rubial, yourself, you're 30 years in 2006.
Lordship.
What about the voters list of earlier period? From where did you suddenly come in?
Lordship.
Two 2014 also you have included at page 38.
Certainly. Seventeen, 2017 brutalist also exhibited, Lordship. Page 39.
Yes.
Lordship, Annexure 12, page 40.
What is this? Jamamandi.
Jawandi, where land was mutated in the name of the petitioner along with his sister, Lordship.
Please read the remarks.
Lordship. চক্ৰ বিষয়াৰ 27/9/2016 তাৰিখৰ নামজাৰি গোচৰৰ চোৱেঞ্চো নং হুকুম মৰ্মে 303 নং দাগৰ মাটি মোহাম্মদ শুকুৰ আলীৰ স্থলত উত্তৰাধিকাৰী সূত্ৰে ৰাবিউল হুছেইন পিতা মৃত শুকুৰ আলী মাতা সুৰমা খাতুন পিতা পিতৃ শুকুৰ আলী মাতা আৰু সুকিয়া খাতুন পিতৃ শুকুৰ আলী মাতাৰ নামত নামজাৰি কৰা হয়। Suki and Surma Khatun is two sister, Lordship. Lordship, next documentation.
Where are Surma and Sukia along with you?
In the voter list is not appeared, Lordship.
No voter list.
No voter list.
You had mentioned in the WS.
WS is only very short, Lordship, that was not stated in the written statement. Lordship, one documents were next.
This Jamabandi was exhibited
Lordship,
as
as exhibit 9, Lordship. Now, annexure 13, page 42, Lordship. This exhibit 9, Lordship, this document.
42. What is this?
Lordship, this, the petitioner Father Shukur Ali purchased a plot of land in the year 7/9/1970 in the village of Tilpukuri, Lordship.
Sale deed.
Sale deed, Lordship.
Dated 1970.
7/9/1970.
Yes, what is there?
Lordship. And this sale deed was exhibited as exhibit 9, Lordship.
This was exhibited.
Lordship.
Hmm?
Lordship, this copy which I have annexed, that was a subsequently obtained, Lordship. And original sale deeds partly damaged, Lordship, that was in the exhibited, that was in record, Lordship. And it was obtained 2/7/2019, Lordship. And this document was exhibited, Lordship.
The exhibited document, what is the document, madam? This is the sale deed. Yesterday we were dealing with a matter where we noticed a lot of appears to be interpolation. So we had here we want to see what is the original document. Please see the original sale deed. Yes, Mr. Hussain.
Lordship, the petitioner submitted evidence in written, Lordship.
How many did reviews?
Only one, Lordship. Petitioner himself, Lordship, that is in page 28, Lordship. Annexure 4, Lordship. And a handwritten.
Yes.
Lordship, the petitioner submitted his evidence in chief, but no cross-examination was done, Lordship. So, Lordship,
Who would have done the cross-examination?
Lordship,
Who would have done the cross-examination?
Lordship, government pleader, Lordship, generally.
Was there any government pleader available? Was there any government pleader available? You check the impugned opinion. The state was not even represented.
None appeared for the petitioner.
State was not represented.
Lordship, it is admitted that through the grandfather link was not established, but my prayer is that, Lordship, Exhibit 9, registered seal deed is a valid document, Lordship, and which is exhibited before the learned tribunal, Lordship. My prayer is that the petitioner may be declared between the stream, Lordship, 1966 to 1971, Lordship. Since petitioner father existence in the year 1970 was clearly established, Lordship.
But this seal deed is of post, this is 7/9/70.
1970, Lordship.
But this
Cut-off
is,
mark 25th March
but
1970.
purchaser is Sukur.
Shukri petitioner father, Lordship.
So your link with the father has to be established. That is what we are looking for.
Lordship.
See, the proceedee is not Sukur Ali. Proceedee before us is
Shukri is son petitioner.
Rubiel Hussain.
Rubiel Hussain is a petitioner.
In
son,
the
Lordship.
context of Rubiel Hussain, we are examining the documents.
Lordship.
Can you have a look at the seal deed?
Page 56.
Where is the original? This is not even original. Original.
Exhibit petitioner.
Xerox copy, yes, sir. Seal. Approval warrant.
If you don't have piece of paper, you open for certificate copy.
Page के mark.
Is 43. 43.
Opinion to exhibit 9 कहने के लिए इसको describe करूँ. Exhibit 9. Exhibit 9 you have not proved. It's not the original seal deed. It's a photocopy.
Original was submitted for the NRC purpose. Some documents were received. That was written in the report, Lordship.
The seal deed, you can check. Seal deed at page 56 of the records is not original. How can you prove this?
Lordship,
Illegible that to photocopy. Had it been an original with some concession? Probably, yes.
Lordship,
You check
Lordship.
page 56. Madam Verma, kindly take out page 56 for him. See the sale deed, this is a photocopy.
Check lordship, but there's a marking at page 5 where it's written all original documents received by OP on 12/4/18 due to NRC verification. I can
Okay, okay, 12/4/18,
12/4/18 lordship.
he had taken back.
Yeah, he.
He had taken back.
Yes. By OP on 12/4/18, and this is a written in the side of order sheet at page 5 lordship. I think that. There is a noting lordship. to OBL as spelling like आप लोगों ने change कर दी to OBL अपने RA लिखी से सो Yeah. Its own spelling is different. The once he writes O, sometimes he writes RA.
That is okay. He himself is written like this.
In the file, in the writ petition file before this court is Radial, but in the documents here, it's Robial.
We'll sit for some more time, we'll finish it. Your submission is over, yes, madam.
Lordship voters list of 56 and 70s grandparents. Lordship has already pointed it out. The discrepancy is huge. Grandmother's age at age 33 and 34. Grandmother is older than the grandfather. Lordship.
20 years.
20 years difference. Then voters list of 85, there's a shifting. The petitioner's father's name figures at page 35. At the age of 33 years, this is what we have appeared 10 years prior to this, and there's a huge gap between from 66 to 70. Then the jump is to 1985. Then 1997, father and mother's name is there, and the shifting is also from 85 onwards.
There was a shifting
Shifting.
from Tilpukuri.
Dhumurguri part 2 lordship, then later on Tilpukuri in the district of
66 and 70 lordship, one village. Then after 85, the village is consistent. It is still Pukuri all along. And 2006, when the petitioner's name appears for the first time at the age of 30 years lordship. His
85.
father's name is missing. When his father passed away, it's not known lordship.
He has said,
1970.
2004.
no, 2004 he has said. Have you mentioned this in the?
In writ petition I have mentioned.
No, not writ petition, written statement.
Nothing.
WS.
WS very short lordship. No.
Nothing in the WS lordship, literally. No sister's name, no mother's name, nothing.
Admitted lordship.
And lordship here will see in 2006 voters list, the age gap between the mother and the son is only 12 years. Mother is 42 years and son is 30 years.
Which one?
2006, page 37, lordship. Mother is 42 years and son is 30 years. And earlier the grandmother was older than the grandfather. Lordship. In
The different
2014,
mother only 12 years different.
And in the Jamabandi, as he has claimed that the names of his two sisters are there, Supriya Khatun,
Surma Khatun and Sukiya Khatun.
you do not find their place in the WS lordship. So I can just take lordship quickly to the WS at page 22 lordship.
Yes,
Here
please.
he has not mentioned all the voters list. It subsequently comes in his evidence lordship. Here he has only mentioned voters list of 2014, 2006 lordship and 1997. And it appears in the 66 voters list is grandparents' name. Shifting is not there, siblings' name is not there, mother's name is not there. The most important information is missing lordship. Neither when the father died or when his mother, is she alive or not alive, there is no information at all about the family history, family tree, which would have helped him lordship. And the Jamabandi does not.
What is the decision that if you do not state the material facts in the written statement, you cannot expand in the evidence?
Beyond the pleadings.
You cannot expand in the evidence. What is it? Which case? Suzab.
Nominal.
Mumin Ali, citation.
Lordship. And panchayat certificate not proved, land documents not proved.
Panchayat certificate, he doesn't have panchayat certificate.
There is one, Lordship, Gaudura certificate, I think.
He is not placing.
Panchayat certificate at page 49, Lordship.
49, there is a panchayat certificate.
14. That was not proved,
That
lordship.
was not true.
That is, I'm not claiming lordship on that.
Did he produce it? No.
Lordship produced it.
Lordship, it is 2017.
Gaon Panchayat certificate exhibit 11 lordship.
It is there, but not proved, and there is in
Just a minute. Exhibit 11 page.
49.
49 annexer 14 lordship.
Exhibit.
Exhibit 11 lordship.
Mumin Ali is
2017, JLT 1076.
2017. How much? What GLT? 2 GLT. Page 107. Paragraph 1076. Paragraph 12, 12, 13 and 17. What has been stated?
12 is the written statement of the petitioner was wholly inadequate and did not disclose any material facts. As noticed above, it was the allegation of the state that the petitioner was a foreigner. Therefore, as per mandate of Section 9 of the Foreigners Act 1946, it was the bounden duty of the petitioner to have disclosed all material facts which were specifically within his knowledge in the written statement, but he did not do so. Petitioner neither mentioned his date of birth nor his age. He was silent regarding the name of his mother and identity of his grandparents, both paternal and maternal. He did not mention anything about his brothers or sisters or about his marital status. On the basis of such a written statement, it cannot be said that the petitioner had stated anything substantial to show that he was not a foreigner, but a citizen. It is a settled proposition of law that where a party fails to set up a case in his pleadings, he would be debarred from adducing evidence in his support at the stage of trial. As a matter of principle, variance between pleading and proof is not permissible. Paragraph 12 and 13, Lordship.
Now what is 17?
17 is reverting back to the written statement. It has all, but in his case, he did not have any DW, Lordship. It is that if he has not mentioned somebody's name,
There was a DW. He had adduced evidence himself.
Yes, only himself, but no other witness was there, Lordship.
Okay.
So 17 would not be relevant, Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship.
Anything else, madam?
No, Lordship, I think this covers everything.
Yes, Mr. Hassan.
In this case, the petitioner, although exhibited so many documents, lordship, regarding his citizenship and connecting with his father, lordship. I'm not relying with his grandfather, lordship, but facts were, it is admitted that facts were not clearly stated in the written statement. Though documents were handed over to the learned counsel, but it was not clearly stated, lordship, as per law, lordship. And for that, lordship, the petitioner should not be suffered, lordship, in this regard. And another aspect, lordship, the registered seal deed in record, lordship, as there in page 56, the learned member, lordship, put his signature and seal is their, lordship, in page 56, lordship. And original documents were written that were received back, lordship, for NRC purpose.
But can you read page 56? We are not on the aspect of photocopy or original. Let us assume for the time being that whatever is in record
Lordship,
is admissible evidence.
Lordship,
But can you read?
that was, I'm mentioned that was not part, some part is damaged, lordship. That was subsequently a certified copy was obtained and that was annexed, lordship, with the writ petition, lordship.
Subsequent copy, the certified copy is of the year, is dated 2/7/2019,
19 later on, lordship.
much later. And we could not have the expertise to examine whether this certified copy pertains to the copy which was exhibited.
Lordship,
Because that is not readable. How can you produce an illegible copy before the tribunal and claim any benefit? If you knew that it was illegible, you could have taken out the certified copy. You have taken out the certified copy on 2/7/19.
Lordship,
We do not have the expertise to check whether that is an authentic copy. This is not a primary court or a tribunal where the aspect of evidence is there.
that is admitted.
Whatever you say, if the dispute matter and the other also, if there is no dispute, we have a duty to look into the document.
Lordship, it is admitted that the petitioner has a document. If the lordship remand the back, and he get the opportunity to prove his case by this registered seal deed, lordship. But the registered seal deed is a genuine, lordship. And some part, there is lapse on the part of the Angus counsel also and petitioner also. That I admitted.
That the sale deed is of 1970 Sukurali. Your connection with Sukurali, that is not there.
Lordship.
The jump, lordship.
Sukurali is not the proceeding. Had it been Sukurali, problem would have not been there at all. Sukurali has a connection with the grandfather, with his father, but your connection with Sukurali is not there.
Lordship, Shukurali and his wife's name in the appeared to voter list, and subsequently with the mother petitioner name appeared, lordship.
Only with the mother.
Lordship, the petitioner father died
Now
in the
this,
year 2004, lordship.
See, your name, Rubi Al Hussein, had appeared with one Rubhan Nessa, whom you project to be your mother.
Lordship.
Okay?
Rubhan name is appeared with the Shukurali, lordship.
That is it, Rubhan name. Then there are also two names of Surma Khatun and Sukia Khatun, who were your sisters
Lordship.
in the Jamabandi.
Lordship.
There is no mention about Rubhan.
Lordship, I have admitted that the written statement is not sufficient, lordship. It is some lapse.
What are the ages of your sisters?
That was not, lordship. Report.
In 2017 voters list, where are your sisters?
And his name appears at the age of 30 years for the first time.
Okay, we'll consider. A Hussein. Then A, write all the names. Yeah? Hearing is concluded.
Lordship, I have some judgment, lordship.
Judgments, you should have given immediately. Yes, what are the judgments? Please give the citation.
And hand over.
No, give the citation.
2015 to GLT.
2 GLT.
617.
Name.
Name Abdul Matali.
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 Matali, lordship.
Paragraph?
Paragraph option 12, 13, 15, 16.
12, 13, 15. What is the proposition? What for what purpose?
Lordship, read put can Lordship entertain the orders of the tribunal and can remand the matter back Lordship. Lordship regarding certified copy one judgment.
Read court can remand. Okay. Then next one.
Lordship AIR 1963
AIR 1963.
Supreme Court 1633.
Name?
Name Lordship Madhamansi Ramappa
Spelling? How do you spell it?
AMADAMANCHI.
Madamanchi. Okay.
Madhamansi
What is the
Ramappa.
proposition paragraph?
Lordships regarding certified copy, para 9 Lordships.
What on certified copy?
Lordship. The exhibit 9 Lordship, that was all.
Now, what is the proposition?
A certified copy need not be proved by calling its author Lordship.
But how will it be applicable? You did not adduce any certified. Was it the case that
Lordship-
certified copy was not taken into consideration?
Lordship, the exhibit 9 Lordship, originally it was certified Lordship, but it was returned back by the OP Lordship. That was
Exhibit 9.
Lordship, that registered sale deed which I am claiming.
That certified copies of recent period, it was now never produced before the tribunal. That proposition will not be applicable. That certified copy you had obtained
That
on
was later on.
2/7/19.
That was
There was no scope of returning back.
registered sale deed Lordship. That
Research has not been returned back. It has been considered and said it is not acceptable. This will not help you. Then another one, what is the third?
this
These two, okay.